So in this RBC Direct Investing tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to sell a stock on RBC Direct Investing. So once the app is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom here and you can either go ahead and view a portfolio of yours, or for example, I'll just go to the bottom, I will press on place order and it works the exact same way. So let's say for example you own the stock, my apologies here, you own the stock, I don't know, Apple. AAPL ticker symbol. I'll just go ahead and select Apple here. So once Apple is selected or you have your stock brought up, which in this case it is not brought up, so I'll go ahead here. My apologies once again. I'll go ahead and I'll just do TELUS as an example. TELUS is always a good one. TELUS Corporation right here, or TD, whatever the case may be. Let's say you own a stock. I need to go ahead and bring this up quick. My apologies on this. It's taking way too long. Just for me to do this right here. So I'll go ahead and I'll just back out again, and I'll use TELUS Corporation as my example. So once that is done, go ahead and select the account that you want to sell the stock from. I'll do that right now. Once the account is selected, I want you to go to where it says action and go ahead and select that and make sure that sell is selected. So go ahead and do that right now. Once sell is selected, you can go ahead and do the type of sell that you're looking for. So if you want to adjust the market type to market limit or stop limit, you can go ahead and do that. You can also go to the bottom here and type the amount of stock that you want to sell. So for instance, if you owned 100 shares and you wanted to sell all 100, you would type in the quantity. It'll show you the estimated value plus the commissions and then the total that you would be selling the stock for. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to sell a stock on RBC Direct Investing. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.